Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Yashodhan Deka, consultant laparoscopic surgeon and endometriosis specialist at Nalbari Maternity Hospital and Sarathi Hospital, Nalbari. We keep coming very often to you to pass a very common message that endometriosis and a chocolate cyst is one disease that is not to be ignored. The sooner you diagnose it, the sooner you approach a doctor, the better it is for you. And we know that endometriosis is a very typical disease where the patient is otherwise fine. The patient is only symptomatic during her periods. We have another very interesting patient who actually traveled from another state and she's currently working outside India, and she's basically there by her own, and where work means her duty hours. But during her periods she has such severe problems, she has heavy bleeding and she has such severe pain that she is unable to do her duty hours also completely. She had approached various doctors earlier in different cities where interestingly she was also advised that her disease is very severe, and during the time of surgery they might have to take a decision to remove her uterus. And hearing this from 2 or 3 senior doctors from different states, from different cities, she actually went into depression. And she approached various other doctors, and from somewhere they got our contact and they approached us, and I promised her only one thing, that we will remove only and only the disease and not her normal uterus or ovaries, because she is not married and she wishes to get married and have a pregnancy later on in life. So today we have completed her surgery very successfully. She also had severe bowel problems during her periods, so we have cleared all her endometriosis from the uterus, from the ovary, and also we have surgically corrected her bowel endometriosis. And today she has an absolute pain-free life, she has an absolute normal life, and I wish her all the very best in her future endeavors in life, and may God keep her happy and healthy. Let's hear it from herself. Thank you.
Hello, my name is, I'm from Shilong. I have been suffering from this disease past few years now. It was really very hard for me to live my life. Even when I go to work, I have been suffering from depression, fatigue, anxiety. It's all because of endometriosis cyst that I had. I've been visiting many doctors. Most of the doctors, they have always scared me and asked me to remove my uterus, which had made my operation delayed for a long time, because I'm very scared to do that. But with the help of God, with God's grace, I meet Dr. Deka. I researched and I met him personally. I came to Nalbari and informed him about my disease, about my suffering. The moment he checked me after my MRI, he did my surgery and confirmed it to me right away that he will never remove my uterus, but he will remove all my disease that is in my body from past few years now. And I trusted him. I did the operation with him, and the operation went so well. So the operation was so successful. For me, Dr. Deka is like a God gift to me. He had given me a new life. And that's what to say. Doctor, thank you for your excellent service that you give to me. The operation that you have done, even when I was in the ICU, from the time I was there until the time I came out, all the staff, all the workers that have been working in this hospital have been so helpful to me. There was not even a moment that they have left me alone. They were always there and support me and motivate me by giving me so much of positive energy to expect that I will have a new life again, and I did it. Thank you so much. It's all because of you. God bless you, doctor. Thank you so much for your human value. You are an excellent doctor. And I also would like to thank Sarathi Hospital and Nalbari Maternity Hospital for giving me such a good treatment and homely patients. Thank you so much for everything.
এক্সপাৰ্ট টিমৰ সৈতে সাৰথি আছে আপোনাৰ বাবে আপোনাৰ লগত।